So I want to thank all the private and public partners for being here today and helping bring services closer to the people. This is in keeping with my husband's directive, parati ko niya sinasabi, lagi natin pong mahalin ang Pilipinas. Lagi po natin mahalin yung Pilipino. Sama-sama tayo babago muli para sa bagong